Good morning, students. How are you? I think all of you fine there. And today's okay. So Amit Kumar Rawat, myself Amit Kumar Rawat, Assistant Professor, RIT Roorkee, Uttarakhand, Department of Management. So uh, so today we have discussed about of subject entrepreneurship development, and the today's topic is business project plan. Uh, in this particular topic, first we have discussed about a project description. So we have discussed about project description. So first, in the concept of a project description, we have discussed about a project scope. So in the concept of a project descriptions, we have discussed about a project scope. So what is the meaning of a project scope? The meaning of a project scope means describe the work to be accomplished and what's the purpose or business need for this project. Is there a relationship to other projects and who are the stakeholders and what work is out of scope for his project. So this is the concept of a project scope. Then we have discussed about of objectives. So the objectives is basically classified into the two basic categories. The first one, identify overall project objectives. So the overall project objectives is identified by the help of following objectives. The first one is a technical objectives. Second is a schedule objectives. Third is a cost objective, and the fourth is a spatial objectives. In the first category, these are the following objectives, and the second category is a non-goals. Then what is the concept of a deliverables? So deliverables means what product or services will your project deliver and include client requirements. So these are the concept of a deliverables. Then what are the, so in the previous concept we have discussed about the objectives. So first of all, identify overall project objectives. Means think about of technical, schedule, cost and spatial objectives. So the first one is a technical. So meaning of a technical objective means what kinds of a technique is to be used in a particular project and what kinds of a technology you have planned. Because of technicalism, technology's concept is a very important concept in terms of a business plan. Because of you have a business plan and you want to set up a particular project unit and you want to develop a different kinds of a project. So uh, uh, so uh, in the development of a particular project you need a particular technology. So which kind of a technology you used in particular project, and this technology is where is this technology is a user friendly or not. Because of if you develop a particular project and your technology is not user friendly, then I think you cannot do anything. And the second one is a schedule objective. This is a very important phase because of whenever you try to plan a particular project, then you design a particular schedule. because of your business plan is basically divided into the following factors, divided into the following parts. Because of whole particular unit you cannot design, you cannot complete within a time. So for designing your particular project, you divide your project into the different parts. So each and every particular parts have a different schedules. So the concept of a schedule objective is a very important. Then the concept is a cost objective. So cost is an important phase because whenever you try to design your particular project, you invest a particular amount of money. So this is the concept of a cost objective. So these are the basic objectives which is necessary for designing a particular business plan. Then another point is success factors. So success factors basically identify elements that are key to success of the project. So the success factors is basically divided into the following sections. So for initially we have says that success factors means identify elements that are key to the success of the project, such as no. So in the success factor we can say identification of that particular elements which are the key to the success of the project, like as such as satisfied client or stakeholders, met project objectives, completed within budget, and delivered on time. So the success factors of a particular project is basically depend on the following factors. Means satisfied client or a stakeholder. This is the most important thing. If your client is not satisfied with your work, then your particular task is not to be finished and not to be completed. And you never get any kind of a success. So initially, if you want to get a success, then first satisfied your client, and your client is then satisfied then when you prepare a particular project on time within a budget, and especially the requirement of a client is to be fulfilled and completed on a particular project, and any kind of a requirement, any kind of a information is to be missing, then your project go to the failure. And one more thing, always remember that your particular success of your business success, your particular project success is depend on the your particular technological concept which is to be used in a particular project. Means a particular project is to be a user friendly, clear. And mat project objective, always remember that the project which you design, so in this particular project, in that particular project, all the objectives, all the project objectives which is you recognize from the need of a consumer, clear, then completed within a budget. And always remember that whenever you start your project design, then think about of budget. Means always remember, whenever you try to design your project, then that particular project is completed within a budget which is you planned initially. This is the most important factor, this is the most important key of a success of the project. Then delivered on time. If the prepared project, if you design a particular project and you not deliver a particular time within a time, then consumer cannot be accepted that kind of a project, and this is a big loss in the history of a project development. A lot of examples is available for a failure and a lot of examples is available for a success. So if you want to get a success, then you take that kind of example. If you want to got failure or losses, then you take that kind of example. So always remember that things: satisfied client, met project objective, complete within budget and delivered on time. These are the success factors. Clear? And the remaining information is to be included in the next video. Thank you.